Hello everyone, so we're here from this analyze here of this game. So it means the title of this tournament is Paraguay International Chess Festival 2025. So it means these are the title or name by Parag or maybe or okay, it's okay, the name is Paraguay. So it's okay, Paraguay by words here from this one. So without changes by white and blacks here from this one. So this last game from this one in Tata Steel Chess Tournament 2025 round number 1. So white pieces dash move or maybe black pieces by Yakubo here from this one. So it means last game. So in this today, so it means exchange by whites here. So it means white and blacks and also white pieces by Grandmaster from this Uzbekistanis Norderbek Yakuboev versus the black pieces from this India from this international master Divya Deshmukh from this one. So this one from this long game from this 1 hour and 30 minutes here from this time clocks here from this one. So in this today's round number 3 in this challengers in this part of this video, you have analyzed here of these chess games in Paraguay International Chess Festival. So white plays Yakubuev is d4, d5 Deshmukh c4, Queen's Gambit, and also e6 Queen's Gambit decline, Knight f3, Knight f6, Knight c3. So it means Knight c3 and also c5 without double by pawns, and also c takes d5 and c takes d4 is called Queen's Gambit decline and semi-Tarrasch variation from this one. So it means the main line so it means main line is capture these pawns here and also e3 by develops here. So it means without develop, so it means main lines here from this one. So she moves by c takes d4 by Deshmukh here and also queen takes d4. So it means without develop or maybe here without move by knight c6 here from this one. So it means without threatening here and also pawn takes d5 and also bishop g5. So it means without pin or maybe without pin by queens here by connecting by bishop here from this one. And also bishop e7 without defense by knights here and also e3. So it means e3 here or maybe with a move by here by bishop e3 or maybe here move by bishop d3. Oh, bishop d3 here or maybe bishop b5 here or maybe bishop b5 check here and also castle kingside by Deshmukh and also rook d1. So it means rook d1 is novelty by Yakubuev of this game from this one. So it means the old main line here is bishop d3 or maybe bishop d3 by the develops here or maybe bishop d3 are old main lines by good novelty here from this one. So back novelty is rook d1 and also bishop e6 without develops by connecting by bishop by Deshmukh and also bishop d3. What a good decisions by Yakuboev or maybe with the upcoming by castle kingside by Yakuboev here from this one. And also h6. So it means h6 with a threat by bishop and also decided is backward bishop h4. So it means if you capture this one by knights here or maybe bishop takes knight or maybe with a threatening by queens here without connecting or maybe without capture to captured here from this one. So he decided move backwards bishop h4 here and also knight c6. So it means good decisions by Deshmukh or maybe with a threatening by queen. So it means without target develops here or maybe without connecting by here by knights and also queen a4. So it means without good decisions, without good focusing move by Yakubuev here and also queen b6 without threatening by pawns or maybe without threatening pawns by b2. So it means without develops here from this one. And also rook d2 without defense by b2 and also rook f d8. So it means without move by rook f d8 by dash move, or decided here by move rook d7, or maybe upcoming battery here from this one. And also castle kingside by Yakuboev, or he decided move by rook f d1 without battery here, and also rook d7. So it means good move by dash move, or maybe with a upcoming battery by rook a d8. So it means rook a d8 battery here, and also rook f d1 battery by Yakuboev, and also battery rook a d8. So it means battery by dash move, and also h3, and also a6. So it is a6 without develops here by black pieces, or maybe without connecting by developed by chess here, and also bishop g3, and also bishop b4 without connecting, or maybe with a pin by rook here by without skills, or develops here from this one, and also knight e5. So it means knight e5. So it means good focusing move by Yakubuev, or maybe with a ready from this one captured by knights, or maybe with a threatening by rook, or maybe with a target by rook here from this one, and also rook e7. So it means rook e7 by so it means the right move here by rook e7, but still bad move again by dash move in this computer engine from this one. So it means the ones of computer here is the first is capture these knights here from this one. Knight takes e5, or maybe with a bishop takes knights here, or maybe with a move backwards is knight e8 here without develops here, or maybe with a focusing skills by without connecting by develops here from this one. So back there is rook e7, and also good move is knight takes capture. Good move by Yakubuev, or maybe with a threat by bishop here without targets here from this one. And also pawn takes knight, and another good move is a3. So it means without good move by Yakubuev, or maybe with a target by bishop here with a threat here from this one. And also bishop takes knight, threat by rook, and also pawn takes bishop, and also c5, another bad move by dash move. So the best moves there is a5. So it means a5 by develops here from this one. So back there is c5, and also rook b1. So it means without good move by focusing move by Yakubuev, or maybe with a target by threat by queens here by this one. And also queen a7, and also rook db2. So it means battery. So it means another battery by Yakubuev. So it means white pieces, and also bishop c8. So it means without defense here, and also queen a5, and also rook e8. So it means it's called a trunk from this one in these black pieces here, and also bishop c7. So it means without threat by rook, or maybe without target by rook here from this one. And also rook d7. So it means rook d7 by dash move, or maybe with a threatening by bishop by first captured by bishop here from this one. And also bishop b6 with a threat by queen by dash move, and also queen a8 backwards here, and also bishop takes captured, and also knight e4. So it means knight e4 by dash move, or maybe with a target by bishop here by threat by connecting by knights here from this one. And also bishop d4. So it means, for example, why don't we capture this bishop takes knight? So it means without target by develops here, and also pawn takes bishop. So it means without move, or maybe within focusing move by black pieces here from this one. So back there is bishop d4, and also bishop b7. So it means bishop b7, or maybe with a double queen or bishop without defense here from this one. And also rook b6, so it means without good decisions by Yakubuev here from this one, or maybe without ready by captured, or still captured by threat by without triple against that here. And also knight d2, so it means knight d2, or maybe without threatening by rook here by rook by Yakubuev, or maybe without connecting by knights by Deshmukh here from this one. And also queen a4, and also rook e d8, so it means another battery again. So it means first puzzle. So what do you think? Find brilliant move by GM Uzbekistan by Yakubuev. So while waiting for a couple for seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much here, and congrats for everyone. Is queen d1. Brilliant move sacrificed by Yakubuev. So it means without sacrifice by focusing move by strongest move by Yakubuev here. And also she decided is knight takes captured rook. And also queen g4. So it means what the strongest move by Yakubuev. Or maybe without threatening by mating net. So it means without mating nets here from this one. Wait for a moment. For example, in accept, why don't we capture bishop takes knight? So it means it's okay to capture. So need to focusing, or maybe without good examples here from this developed by connecting by captured here from this one. So back there is queen g4 without threatening by mating nets here, and also f6, so it means f6 here. So time clock is 33 seconds by Black Pieces Deshmukh and 8 minutes by Yakubuev. So after f6, so last shot. So what do you think of last shot resigns by Black Pieces from India? So while waiting for a couple for seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much here, and congrats for everyone. Our last shot is rook takes capture, sacrifice, luck resigns by Deshmukh. So why she resigns? Because for example, so if you move by king h8, only move here from this one, and also queen g6 here from this one. So maybe if you capture this one, maybe if you capture this one by g takes rook here from this one, so it means g takes rook, and also queen takes pawn check, or maybe king g8, and also queen h8 check, and also king f7, and also king g7 check, and also king e8, so it means king e8, and also bishop g6 check, and also rook f7 here, and also last shot is queen takes f7 mating net. So it means lose by Black Pieces by Deshmukh. So it means the winner of these white pieces from this one, from Grandmaster from this Uzbekistan, is Norderbek Yakubuev. So it means congratulations from this one. Same by two winners here from this one. So the score from these white pieces is 96.4 by white pieces by Yakubuev, and black pieces is 84.4 by Deshmukh. So it means white wins series here from this one. So I hope of this part of this video here. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Mark Luwagi 17, aka Mark Luwagi 17, and also Icon Mike 17. Have a good day, keep safe, and adios.